Visualization, Sound Therapy 1. This visualization is something of an experiment. As you may know, a one-to-one sound therapy session is carried out with the receiver or client lying on a therapy couch. The therapist moves around the client's body, applying sound from various sounding instruments to focus mainly on particular points called the energy chakras. We'll use 6 chakra points considered to be the foci of the body's energy. They are the base around the groin area, the sacral or belly, the solar plexus, the heart, throat, and the brow or third eye area. By sensing them, you can tell whether that particular area of the body is in or out of balance. When anything is out of equilibrium, sound therapy is based on playing appropriate sounds to help restore that balance. This would then build towards a restoration, resulting in a more balanced chakra and a balanced, healthy body. This program will attempt to reproduce this. Evidently, the sound can't be focused in particular chakra areas to the same degree, but I'll explain the areas of focus as we progress. Applying sound is a bit like taking a lot of vitamin C. Your body will only absorb the sound that it needs and will reject the surplus. If you focus on each chakra point as I direct you during the recording, you should begin to sense when you are below normal healthy levels in a particular area. And I hope you'll sense some signs of improvement as we progress. Simply stated, this could be at the physical level or the emotional level, or some of both. For example, you might feel that your throat is very tight or rough. This could be because you have an infection or throat strain, which would be physical. Or it could be because you're stressed, as you need to tell someone something, but haven't plucked up the courage to speak to them, which would be emotional. So, enough of the background for the moment. I'll be using a variety of instruments, and we'll introduce each one so that you know what's going on. Your main job is to focus on the particular chakra point that we're working on. Concentrate on it as hard as you can and keep checking whether you feel any change. It should be an interesting experience. You'll need to be lying down for this to work positively, so take some time to get yourself comfortable, lying on a therapy couch, on your bed, or on the floor. If you're on the floor, lie on a soft mattress or blankets. You should be warm and relaxed. Pause if need be at this point to get yourself organized properly, and then we'll start the sounding. Okay, normally there'll be one gong at your head and another at your feet on either end of the therapy couch. This is the one beyond your head. And this is the one beyond your feet. Imagine these sending energy horizontally through your body. hope you feel the energy flowing. Next, I have a sequence of tuning forks, which are struck and then vibrate. Each one is tuned to respond to a particular chakra point. To give you some idea of how it functions, focus your attention on your heart. Physically, is it beating normally? Or is your pulse speeding at all? Are you conscious of your heartbeat? Emotionally, do you have any concerns at the moment? Any relationship problems, for example? Focus on your heart and think closely about these matters. As you focus, I'll strike and play the heart chakra. Keep focusing. See if you notice any changes or differences, perhaps only slight. Focus. Try to visualize any changes. Here we go again. So, now I'll tune up gradually through your body. We'll start at the base or root. Focus your attention there and visualize it bathed in red. How does it feel at the moment? When you hear the sound, try to focus it down to the root area. Again, for this and each subsequent chakra area, try to focus on the area and visualize any movement or changes which you may be experiencing. Next, the sacral area. Focus your attention on this area below your navel. How does it feel currently? Imagine it bathed in gold and focus the sound of the sacral tuning fork when you hear it now. Now, the solar plexus. Visualize it bathed in yellow. Focus on the area above your navel and check it out as it is now, and look for any slight changes as you hear the sound of the fork now. You've already tested your heart, but focus on it again, bathing it in green light. Do you notice any change from the previous time? We're doing well. Focus on your throat now. How does it feel? Any tenseness? Any current problems with communication? Focus your attention onto your throat, bathing it in the colour blue. Focus. And finally, because we're emitting the crown chakra at the moment, focus your attention on your third eye, a central point between and slightly above the level of your eyebrows. How do you feel? How aware do you really feel at the moment? Bathe your third eye area on the brow in a beautiful purple light. See if you feel any changes in consciousness as you listen to the sound of this, the third eye fork. Perhaps you feel a slight tingling sensation around your third eye area. Now spend a moment or two scanning down through your various chakra points. Do you feel any changes in energy? Are there any areas that still feel a bit lacking in that energy? Focus on these. I'm now going to play singing bowls, both by striking and singing round the edge. Listen to the sound and visualize it concentrating on any of your chakra areas which you feel need some more energy. Listen to the sounds now. Focus them on the chakra areas and try to restore their harmony. Now, we have the Shamanic Drum. This is a large drum, and using it directly above your body in a real therapy session, you'd feel the vibrations directly on your body, as well as hearing the sound. Try to visualize or imagine these vibrations on the chakra areas, or the areas of your body that you're focusing on, the ones that need an extra boost. Concentrate. Okay. You've been concentrating a lot on trying to direct the energies to your various chakra points. Scan your body again now and see if you feel any differences. Try to judge if you notice anything different. Visualize the colours around you. Then, visualize these separate colours combining to create a white light, a healing light, all around you. Lie for a while, thinking about your experience. Relax as long as you want, and then take your time getting up slowly. Finally, make sure you drink a glass of water and rest sitting for a while. Thank you. I hope you've experienced some benefits.